This is a quick technique to foam roll the calves and relieve some soreness or trigger points in the calves. You're gonna take a foam roller, any one will do. This one has some knobs on there, which is a little more aggressive, but can feel good on some of the muscle knots. But it doesn't matter what roller you have. You're gonna take it and you're gonna place a calf over it. You can place a leg on top for some more weight or start here. Either way, I like to start at the bottom and we go side to side. The biggest mistake I see with foam rolling is people wanna just run up and down real quick. That doesn't get what we want. We want the muscle to actually relax a little bit. So we're gonna go side to side, taking some deep breaths, and then I'm gonna go up. And if I find a tight spot, like right there, I'm a little tense, I'm just gonna work across that side to side, up, down, some small circles for a minute or so. And I'm gonna keep moving up. And I go all the way to behind the knee, because that's where the calves insert, is actually up here right above the knee is the top of the gastroc. So you can work all up and down the whole length of it. Get on the side, on the inside, from the Achilles all the way up to the knee.